Today I'm going to demonstrate how to work a half triple crochet decrease, or a half trip dec. That's how I write it in my patterns, but the full name of the stitch is a half triple crochet decrease. It is one half triple crochet decrease worked across 2 stitches, so it combines 2 stitches into 1 stitch. I have made this crochet work and chained 3 in order to create enough space for the tall post of the half triple crochet stitches. And to work a half triple crochet decrease, we will first yarn over twice, which means wrapping your yarn around the hook twice, not too tight. We're keeping it relatively relaxed, but not too loose. And then you insert the hook into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. We leave the 3 remaining loops on the hook and we start the next leg of the half triple crochet decrease. We yarn over twice, insert the hook into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We should now have 5 loops on the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we yarn over and pull through all 5 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can pull the yarn through all 5 loops through 1 loop at a time or as one fell swoop. Just be careful not to split your yarn as you do that. So that makes a half triple crochet decrease. It's a useful decrease with a very tall post silhouette. So that can help in a lot of different shaping situations, but I wouldn't recommend it for the body of an amigurumi, as the posts are so tall that they create these wide spaces in between the posts, and you can get fiberfill shoving its way through those holes. So I'm going to demonstrate it again slowly, and then I'll do it once quickly. We will yarn over twice, insert the hook into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up. We have a total of 4 loops on the hook right now. Yarn over, that's 5 loops, and we're going to pull that through 2 loops for a total of 3 loops on the hook right now. Then yarn over twice, insert the hook into the next available stitch, yarn over and pull up. We should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loops on the hook before we yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now we have 5 loops on the hook, and we're going to yarn over and pull through all 5 of those loops. And that makes the half triple crochet decrease. I'm going to do it one more time, but a little quicker. So yarn over twice, create that first leg of the half triple crochet decrease, create the second leg, and then yarn over and pull through all of the loops that were on the hook. So that's 3 half triple crochet decreases. And I hope that helps.